people are making thousands of dollars every single day launching meme coins on Base, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can launch a meme coin such as this one right here, which went to 200k from almost nothing. I'm actually going to show you a tool which can actually bundle launch your coins. So whenever you see, for example, when he buys in the first transaction, so I'm going to teach you how to exactly do that with this tool, which I'm going to show you. I'm also going to show you all the features this bot has. But before that, I'm going to show you what you need to actually do to launch your meme coin, because obviously all that technical stuff, that bundling stuff is very important. However, what's even more important is having a good idea. And what I mean by good idea, what I like to do is I go on Deck Screener and I go on trending, and in the last 24 hours, sometimes even 6 hours, it really depends. Let's just do 24 hours for this example. So the current meta for now is dogs, or specifically dogs and cats. Dogs and cat memes will always be good in this space. So if you have no good ideas, if you cook up some sort of dog or cat coin, it will work. Just make sure it's original, of course. But we can go on, for example, this one, Gina and the Cat. This one has $60 million market cap already. And you can think of something similar to this. Your idea has to be good. Even if you have the best socials, best website, best everything, if your idea is garbage, if your coin is garbage, then it won't go anywhere. So think of a good narrative. But if you check out this coin right here, we can see they have a website which is kinda... I'm not sure how this coin actually went up a ton in value. I haven't personally seen this coin. If you're not in some sort of crypto cartel, if you're just starting out by yourself or a few people, your website needs to be tip top. So it can't be something like this, because okay, sure, this coin has $60 million market cap. However, remember, you need a really good site. The next thing you need is a Twitter page. This is pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I'm not going to show you how to make a Twitter page because it's very easy. I am going to show you, however, how to make a website such as this one, which is even slightly better in my opinion, for completely free. And also the Telegram, which is pretty simple, so I'm not going to cover that as well. However, you want to add some bots such as Rosebot, Safeguard. I have a full 30-minute video right here if you want to watch it, which goes through everything exactly in detail. I just want to show you the bare bones of Ape.store because not many people are on this right now. And I don't want to drag out the video for too long. But okay, next thing you're going to need is obviously you have the idea, but you need an image. You can either create your own type of custom image, or even better than that, you just go on Google or on Brave or whatever you're using, type up, for example, cute cat memes, and just go through these. For example, this seems like it would be a good idea because cat memes and dog memes will always go viral in this space. It doesn't matter if there's a bigger narrative. Obviously, if there's an actual meta, for example, a political meta such as, you know, the Trump Kamala Harris debate, that's actually coming up soon. You could actually make a coin off of that. And that will moon because anything Trump related also moons. So that's coming up soon. The dates are not exact yet, however, it will probably happen in the near future. So doing some sort of Kamala Harris Trump coin would also work very well. But for this example, let's just say this meme right here. So we save the image, we have an idea. So for example, we could do something like cat. That could be the ticker symbol. And the actual name could just be cat. But okay, so you have your idea, you have your Telegram, you have your Twitter. What do you do next? You can either go down the professional route of creating your own website, making it really nice, or you can get one of these sites as well, which also works. However, don't expect to go to something like $1 million in market cap with this. However, this could very easily get you to 50 to 100k market cap. Just make sure your website is actually decent. Make sure you set it up right. And also, you know, having other socials made. But okay, this site is called token.com. You can create a free meme coin website within 2 minutes. You get a free domain as well. So let's actually create a website with this page right here. So we press get started for free. You have to sign in and do all that. Nice stuff. So okay, token.com, you can actually type in the thing which comes after the website. So for example, token.com/bafcat. You can actually have a custom domain as well if you scroll down to upgrade. However, we're just going to use a free domain for now. How it can be bafcat as well. And now the body types. You need to think of something creative. You can't just type in anything random. Although that could work, to be honest, it's meme coins at the end of the day. So something like this could also work. Just, you know, be creative. This might not be the best. However, it took me like 5 minutes. Okay, your Twitter and your Telegram, you just type in the ones you have created. So for the Twitter, it's just the handle. I'm just going to put my own Twitter in. If you actually aren't following my Twitter, by the way, you can go in the description, follow it. I'd appreciate it a ton. I drop a ton of alpha on there. Telegram, you type in the handle again. So I'm going to put my own Telegram in. Also join it as well. It's completely free. My free Telegram alpha group. I'm going to be streaming the 1 Solana to 100k challenge on YouTube and Twitter. Also on Telegram. If you're actually in my Telegram, you're going to be getting the earliest signals from that challenge. So join up because I'm going to be doing it soon. All right, back to the video. Contract address. This is just this thing right here, you know, the contract address of the Ethereum coin. Obviously, you need to already have a coin made, but you can actually change this. You can leave it for now. So I'm going to just leave it for now. It's just a dot. Link to buy token. same thing. If you don't have it created yet, just leave it blank. And the link title, so this little thing right here. Okay, bad cat, the dirtiest cat on base. And background color, you can actually change this as well. So for example, purple and white text, just an example. Press save page. Oh, we actually forgot to add the image real quick. To actually add an image, just click upload hero media, and there we go. Just scroll down, and actually you can just type in the contract address along with the link, and you can also add a custom link. Also, you can add some memes right here, so if you have some more stuff, you can add that as well. However, I'm not gonna do that for now, so update page, and there we go. It's not the best site, but you understand, you can change it up, you can add a better color scheme, you can add memes, you can make it a bit better, you can add a better description. It's just an example. That's all it is. Proof of concept. Okay, you have your website, you have your Telegram, you have your Twitter. Now you're ready to get launched. So what do you do? How do you actually bundle it so you hold a big percentage of the supply? You need a bundler bot. That's where this bot comes in. Let me show you how it works. So this is Wagyu. It's a token launcher and also a bundler. I'm going to link this bot in the description. So once you've actually got this bot in your Telegram, you're going to start off by typing /start. Okay, here we go. The highest performance, low cost, and easy to use token launcher for all the biggest crypto ecosystems. So this is the starting menu. And now here you can do a lot of things. You can select the network from base mainnet to Ethereum and to BNB. You can begin launching. You can view your past tokens you have created on here. You can view all your snipers as well on this, or past snipers. And you can manage your deployers right here, along with referrals. So to begin, we're going to start and select the network that we're going to be launching with. So for this story, we're going to be using BNB. So we click base mainnet, and now we want to navigate to launcher right here. And in the launch screen, we can actually create and manage the token launch from this UI. So we actually can't manage a token yet because we don't have a token launched yet. So you want to press create launch. So in this setup right here, we have a setup wizard, which creates a contract automatically for us. So we don't have to worry about that. Or if you're actually experienced in making your own contracts, you can go on custom contract. If you don't know what a contract is, it's essentially how the coin functions. It's kind of more complicated than that. However, you can type it up, 5 minutes of reading, you'll figure it out. However, if you don't know anything about contracts, don't use this because you will probably burn all your money if you don't know what you're doing with this. So I recommend just pressing setup wizard. So okay, launch creation in progress. Now here, we can bundle wallets. This is what I meant when I said 20 wallets buying in at once. And when instant launch from deployment to liquidity to trading, and automatic LP. So we actually do want to bundle the launch. So we're going to press launch snipers. So instant launch will actually launch the coin once you're finished with all the settings instantly. We're just turn it on. And also auto LP, it will automatically put the liquidity pool in. This has to be on with both the instant launch because people won't be able to trade if you don't have an LP. And once the token launches, your snipers will be in. It'll be bundled. It'll be in the same block. But for today, I'm going to just turn off instant launch and auto LP. So we're just going to have launch snipers. We press next. On the next page, we can actually start customizing our token. So the name, the symbol, the max buy, and the max wallet. So for the name, I'm going to change it to bad cat, like I was saying earlier. The symbol, bad, max swap percentage. This is the maximum amount of supply that can be bought in one transaction. It really depends on how you want to roll with it. I'm just going to put 1% for testing purposes on here. However, it really depends. It depends how you want to play this. There's no concrete answer to this, but I'm just going to do 1%. You can actually adjust the max wallet percentage, so there's not like a massive whale holding up 20 or 30% of your supply. So you can change this to, for example, 5% or 3%. It really depends. You can add some limits. Then you also have blacklist capability. This is just essentially so you can blacklist some buyers, for example, some sniper bots that you know that snipe the coin they instantly sell after. You can also do that. You're actually able to adjust the supply as well if you want. However, 1 billion is fine in my opinion, so we're going to just leave it as is. We can actually go on the next page right here. So this has more to do with the liquidity pool and the initial supply figures. So here we can actually change how much of the supply goes to the liquidity pool. So this really depends as well. Depends how you want to play it. So the percentage, for example, you can do 90%. So you're going to have 10% left over for you, or you can even do 100%. But you're going to have a percentage anyways because you're going to be bundling the launch. If you actually want to preload or clog the contract, you can actually type in a figure. So for example, 5%. So as it stands right now, 90% is in the LP supply and 5% is in the contract itself. And we'll be holding the other 5% on our developer wallet. If you want, you can turn on anti-drain so you can stop some of the draining bots to essentially not drain your coin. And it's a good feature. And for the LP, just because I'm testing, I'm going to put 0.01 Ethereum. It kind of matters depending on how much you want to put in. However, in my opinion, somewhere around $1,000, $800 should be fine. Obviously, more money is better, but it really depends on how you want to play it. Like I said, there's no concrete answer. If you're doing a big launch, you should have a bigger liquidity pool. If you're doing a small launch, you should have a smaller liquidity pool. But okay, we press next. All right, so we're on the next page here. Now we can actually adjust the buy fee, the sell fee, the liquidity fee, and the swap threshold. For today, we're going to just do 10%. In my opinion, you should do 0% or like at the most 1%. People don't really like a tax on meme coins. I'd recommend doing 0. However, just for testing purposes, we're gonna just put in 10%. If you want to add a liquidity fee, you can do that as well. However, I just want to keep it simple today, so I'm gonna just keep it at 0%. If you want to adjust the fee wallet, for example, let the fees go to the marketing wallet, you can change it right here as well. Just click it. It's very simple. Everybody's gonna go to the deployer wallet, press next, and here you can see that you can add the socials. So we're gonna add our token website, we're gonna add our Twitter and Telegram. So we're gonna put it on our website, so our token website. You add our Twitter, so the Twitter you have created for your coin. I'm just gonna add my own socials, and of course the Telegram. Like I said, if you could join, I would appreciate it a ton. It's in the description, completely free. But okay, now you can actually add a custom description. So you can copy the exact same description as you put it on the website, or you can add something completely different. Really depends, like I said. However, we're just gonna put in what we did earlier. Press enter, and okay. All right, so now we're gonna press next. Okay, deployer settings. This is where you can actually link a deployer or create a deployer. And by deployer, it just means the wallet which is creating the coin. So you can either link one. If you press link, just type in the private key. Or if you actually create one, right here you have the address, and then it also gives you the private key. The private key is blurred because if somebody has access to it, then they can take all your funds. And it says, please save the wallet private key in a secure location. We do not save the information on this page, and it will not be accessible at a later time. And it will show once you click it. Make sure that you save it or just take a screenshot of it. But the best thing in my opinion is just, copy it, put it in a notepad. And okay, we press confirm. Okay, we'll go to the next screen, press next. And here you can actually set up the bundle snipers. So we can create the launch snipers right here. We just press this. And we can do the same thing. We can either import the snipers. So, we type in the private keys of the snipers, or we can create snipers. So right here, the amount, you can have max 100 wallets. However, in my opinion, I think having somewhere around 10 or 8 is a good spot. It really depends as well on how you want to do it. However, I'm just going to put 8 as example. We press enter, and there you go. Amount 8, we can press generate, and it created a text file with snipers in your private keys. You can actually save it. And as you can see, I have our private keys and wallets right here. So it automatically saves it for us. But okay, we press save. We have the snipers already. Now it's just a matter of funding them. So, you copy the addresses. You want to have like a notepad of how much you want to snipe of each one, how much percentage you want to buy. Once you figure all that out, you send the Ethereum to the wallets. And okay, with it being set like this, the bundle snipers will buy a random amount from 0.9% to 1%. You can actually change this to, for example, 0.2%. And you can change this to, for example, 3%. It really depends on how you want to run it. You can actually change it. I couldn't change it to 3% because my max swap is set a bit higher than that, but you understand. But okay, next thing, we press create, and we are finally ready to launch the coin. So we're pretty much ready to go. So we can actually go back real quick, and we can check out the snipers, like the token to manage snipers for. You can actually go on launcher and manage launch. As you can see, we have Bad Cat right here. We press it, and we can actually also manage the snipers. As you can see, it shows the required balance of each one. We don't really have, I'm not going to send money to it. It's just an example. But you can also actually manage the snipers. So send Ethereum, sniper disperse list, and you can actually also empty all the snipers. So send back all the Ethereum back to you. Okay, we're going to go ahead and actually create the launch. So we go back, launch token, Batcat. And okay, are you sure you want to launch Batcat? You're going to go for all of this. But yeah, it seems fine. And actually, not only that, let me actually cancel real quick. I forgot to show you one more thing. If you actually go on launcher, manage launch, and Batcat, if you go on manage deployer, you can actually predict the contract address of this coin, which is actually pretty cool. I haven't seen a bot which does that. This is actually the first one I have seen which actually predicts the contract address. And keep in mind that the address will change every time the deployer wallet sends a new transaction. So okay, if you actually click estimate deployment cost, the estimate there will be 0.01 Ethereum, which is around $24. Depends on the price. That's the estimated deployment cost. That's how much you're going to spend to actually launch the coin. Okay, we're going to click back again, back. All right, launcher, launch token, Batcat. Like I said, you want to go over all of this. However, we're going to press confirm. It's not going to work for me because I don't have any funds in right now. However, I'm going to show you what it looks like after you press confirm and you do have funds. So press confirm, launching token. And okay, deployment failed because no funds, obviously. But let me show you what happens right after you press confirm. So okay, you can see once you actually press confirm, the transaction is pending. And as you can see, the token was already created. So we have the contract address right here. So literally within a few seconds, this bot bundled the coin and we already have a contract address. And now you can actually manage the token after creating it. So if you press general settings right here, And not only that, we have limit settings, fee settings, ownership settings, and safety functions. Oh, and not to mention liquidity management. If you want to pull out the LP, you can always do that. And in these, we can increase the limits, we can increase the fees, we can actually renounce ownership as well, and we can actually remove the liquidity pool as well from this right here. So you're going to want to click the liquidity management button, and once you click it, you're going to press add liquidity, and it's going to use the information that you previously put in, and you can just go through all of this, and if everything is good, just press approve right here. And once you actually press approve, as you can see, it's pending, and you just want to wait a little bit before it actually creates a liquidity pool. And there we go, confirmed. Once it says confirmed, you're going to press add liquidity again, and there you go. You have added a liquidity of 90% of your entire token supply, and it is confirmed that the LP was added. So next, what you want to do is go on general settings, and here I recommend pressing verify contract, and once you click it, it'll just go and verify the contract with all the social information that we previously put in. So the website, Twitter, Telegram, description, all that good stuff. And now that we are in general settings, we can actually go on enable trading. And once we actually click this, people will be able to start buying in the token. And are you sure you want to enable trading? If you want a last chance to cancel, change some things up, you can press cancel. But once you click confirm, it's going to submit the bundle. It will take a few seconds, pretty fast. And as you can see, enabling token. And okay, there we go. Our token is now live. And if you scroll up a bit, you can actually view your coin on the blockchain. So let's actually go on it real quick. And as you can see, this shows the holders of the coin. We can see the liquidity pool has 88%. The contract has 5%. That's how much we put in previously. And 5% for the depth supply. And in the bottom, we actually have the bundler snipers, which bought instantly once the token was created. As you can see right here. Now we can actually go back into the bot and we can actually adjust the fees. So for example, the fee settings, or we can actually renounce the ownership. You can adjust any limits you want to do. You press confirm and you can actually start controlling your token. And now we can actually go and start managing our snipers. So you just type /snipers. And as you can see, I have a sell all, see all the information. You can see how much each wallet has. Alright, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, check these videos out right here. And if you could actually subscribe and like the video, it would help me out a ton. Also, join the Telegram in the description. See ya.